Welcome back to the online class of AIS. I am Shormishta Das, your maths teacher. So today I am going to continue with exercise 3.4, that is factors and multiples. So let's get started. I am going to solve sum number 1. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 48 and 288 respectively. One of the numbers is 144. Find the other number. To solve this type of sum, first we need to learn the relationship between HCF, LCM and product of two numbers. So the relationship is product of two numbers equals to HCF into LCM. So one of the numbers is 144. So I am writing 144 into, suppose the other number I am naming it as N2, equals to HCF and LCM are 48 and 288. So 48 into 288. So 144 will be coming this side. So in right hand side, since the in left hand side, since the relationship is multiplied form, so when it will be coming in the right hand side, it will be in the division form. So N2 equals to 48 into 288 divided by 144. Now 144 2s is 288. So N2 equals to 48 into 2 equals to 96. So the other number is 96. This is my answer. Number 4. Find the largest number that divides 232 and 157, leaving a remainder of 7. So, since it is leaving a remainder of 7, so the statement will be, therefore, it must divide 232 minus 7 is equal to, that is 225 without a remainder. Again, it must divide 157 minus 7 equals to 150 without a remainder. Because in the question it has been mentioned, find the largest number that divides 232 and 157, leaving a remainder of 7. So first I need to find out the number which will be divisible without a remainder. So I am subtracting 7 from each of the numbers. Now what did I get? 225 and 150. Since in the question it's mentioned, find the largest number. Whenever you will see in the question it's mentioned largest number, that means we need to find out the HCF. So of which two numbers I will be finding the HCF? That is 150 and 225. So I can apply HCF by division method. So 150, 225, 150 ones are 150 because 2 is 300, it will be more. So 5 is 75. Again I will divide 150, that is 75 2s are 150. So my answer will be this one, that is 75. So the largest number is 75. If in the question it would have been smallest number, then we would have done LCM. But in the question, since it's mentioned largest number, so I have done HCF. So my final result is 75. Question number 6. Find the smallest number which when divided by 39, 52 and 65 leaves a remainder of 5 in each case. Now the question given smallest number. So I need to find out the LCM. So LCM equals to 39, 52 and 65. So I can do it by 13. 13 3s are, 13 4s are, 13 5s are. More I cannot divide. So LCM equals to 13 into 3 into 4 into 5. Now I will do the grouping. See, 13 3s are, we already know it's 39. And 5 into 4 is 20. Now 39 into 2 I can do, that is 9 2s are 18, 3 2s are 6, 1, 7. And this 0 I will directly put here. By this grouping we can easily do it mentally, we don't have to do it in the rough. So this is the answer of LCM. Now my target is to find out the smallest number which when divided by this and leaves a remainder of 5. So I have to find out the smallest number that will leave a remainder of 5. So what will I do? So the smallest number is 78 plus 5, because in this case I have done the LCM, and LCM means least common multiple. So 780 will be divisible by 39, 52 and 65. So I have to find out the smallest number that will leave a remainder. That means that number will not be exactly divisible. So what I have to do, I need to add it up. Then only I can get the remainder. So is equal to 785. So the smallest number is 785. This is my answer. So here we come to the end of this exercise. Hope you understood. Thank you.